Hello guys, welcome back to the Excel spreadsheet on the financial projections. Okay, so far so good. I managed to finish the first half of the income statement of the year's inputs for finances. The sales are finished, the interest and market sectors and cash finished, COGS, gross profit finished, sales distribution expenses all completed. So the next part I have to do is to find and calculate the tax expense. Okay, this is how to calculate the tax expense. So equals B72 multiplied by $sign B14. Okay, here's how to do the next section. So far so good. Okay, now we need to find and calculate the profit after tax. Simply B72 minus B73. So this minus this, and this will be the answer. Same goes for the other letters, C, D, E, F, and G. For the F72, and this is F73, and the answer will be underneath. Yeah, now let's go and calculate the preferred stock dividends. So far so good. Now, next heading is the common stock dividends. So, first one is $sign B $sign 78. Next one is, as for the rest of the letters, $sign BC, $sign 18. Change that to 16. Okay, next one is to find and calculate the earnings retained. So B74, which is profit after tax, you minus that by B75, which is preferred stock dividends, minus B76, which is common stock dividends. The answer would be €28.11. Okay, that's income statement now fully completed and finished. So that is how to lay out and fully calculate how to find your calculations on income statements when it comes to years of your income on finance. So that's very good. Now let's go on moving to the balance sheet section, and let's calculate the cash. This will require an if statement. So that's not so excess cash. Okay. Okay, that's cash correctly calculated. Okay, next section is the marketable securities. It just simply equals $B21. That's it. No maths, just $sign answer. Let me take you to B21 and show you where that is. B21 is here with its €300. Then begin marketable securities. So that's it. That's where it is. Okay, now the excess cash, and this is where the if statement comes in. Right, that's it. Yeah, next section is to find and calculate accounts receivable. Here's how to calculate accounts receivable. And that's the answers for the rest of the sums. See $7 C22 and multiply the relevant table. G62 is the right section. F62, E62, and D62. Okay, let's go on the inventories for the next one. Okay, that's inventories finished. Now, other current assets will be the next step in how to find the calculations. So I'll show you how to find the other current assets. That's correct. Now, fixed assets will be the next section. Alright, so fixed assets is going to be a very long sum because all letters will be completely different sum functions. It's not going to be all the same. So let's start with B and how to find the B answer. Okay, that's B. Now let's find the C answer. Okay, let's see. Now let's find the D answer. Okay, now find the E answer. Okay, that's E. Now let's find the F answer. Okay, last and not least, let's find the G answer. So there you go. That was a long one. So that's fixed assets completed. That was pretty difficult to solve. So now let's go and move on to the accumulated depreciation. Okay, now let's go and calculate the total assets. There's the whole balance sheet altogether. So BA, which is cash, and then 87, all the way to accumulated depreciation. Simply adding them all together, and that's the answer. Same with the other letters. So let's find out the answers for the other letters. So it looks like D has the biggest amount of the total assets than all of the other letters. Okay, so that's the balance sheet complete. In the next video I will continue and start calculating the accounts payable section. We're nearly at the end of the sheet. There's still plenty more to do, so I will continue on from the next video. So I hope you all enjoyed this video so far very well. I'll see you all very soon. I hope you all stay tuned for the next video, and I will start accounts payable in the next part. So wash your hands, stay safe, and have a good pleasant evening. Adios.